The Fisher-Price number 930. Play Family Action Garage includes 4 original Little People figures with wood bodies and heads. There is a blonde Caucasian girl with a blue body, an African-American boy with a red body, black heat-stamped hair, and a raised belt rim around his waist. There is also a Caucasian boy with a green body, red heat-stamped hair, and a raised belt rim around his waist. And a second Caucasian boy with a yellow body and a red baseball cap facing forward. The Play Family Action Garage includes a 3-story elevator that's operated by a crank on the side, and a green service lift that has a red crank and ramp to lift cars.